Hello, and welcome to today's Brain Break. I'm Jimmy, and we are going to learn about the three types of thermal transfer: conduction, radiation, and convection, and Newton's first law. Let's start off with conduction. Conduction is the action of transferring thermal energy, heat, through touch. For example, if I'm cooking an egg on a pan, the pan's heat will transfer from the warmer object, the pan, to the cooler object, the egg. Next, we have convection. Convection is when warm air goes up above the previously warm molecules that are cooling. When these molecules cool and fall back and heat up again, it creates a repetitive current. An example of this would be the air above a fire heating up, going up away from the fire, cooling and falling to near the fire to be reheated and start over. Now we have radiation. Radiation is when energy is moving through an air or vacuum-like space. It is an indirect form of heat transfer and is when it is not touching and goes through electromagnetic waves through the air. For example, the heat from the sun travels through the vacuum of space, then the air to hit your skin. As we start coming to a close, let's talk about Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest remains at rest, or if in motion, remains in motion at a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net external force. This law states literally that if an object is moving, then it won't move unless a stronger force would act upon it to move it. Like if a book is on a table not moving and I push it off, it would move and be acted upon by my hands. Or if I'm not buckled into a car and the car stops suddenly after going 60 miles per hour, I would continue going 60 miles per hour and fly through the windshield. This is because of inertia. Let's review. Just to remember, conduction is touch, convection is a current, radiation is through air or not touching, and Newton's first law is if moving or not, will not change unless an unbalanced force moves upon it. This concludes today's Brain Break. See you next time. Bye.